All right, how do you make an angle attack actually work effectively? I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna break it down. So the first thing we wanna do is we start with a straight line technique. I like using the jab. So I'm in my stance, boom, I throw the jab. Whether he blocks it with his glove or doesn't matter. I'm just trying to get him to see my hand. Then I'm gonna take an angle. So I'm gonna step off to the side. My feet will actually line up. See, this is a really bad position if I'm just fighting him. Right here, I have no balance. But because I'm doing the angle, I'm using my momentum, I'm stepping off. Now I have a perfect shot of his jaw, right here. Knockout punch right here. But let's just say he blocks it, boom. When I'm really lining up is my favorite part, which is a 45-degree angle round kick. So I'm just gonna lean back and I'll pop that round kick right up into the rib cage, right up into the body. So again, I'm here, I get my single strike coming in, angle off, boom. That shin should be digging in right here into the body. And the cool thing is, you're not really trying to wind up and get a ton of power by bringing the leg back. He's gonna see that. All I'm doing is I'm doing a short pivot, boom, and then I'm bringing that 45-degree angle round kick into the gut.